Hello, my name is Claudia Garcia. Due to excessive consumerism and constant environmental damage for the extraction of raw materials to create, design and manufacture different types of technology. We had or wonder where it are going that will become of us tomorrow. There are thousands of living species on Earth but only out. The human being consumes 40% of the growing resource. Every 10 seconds, the equivalent of 5 football is of forest and usual display. Either for cultivation, grazing, or city growth. Every 10 seconds, an animal species dies. So, the human population grows at an exponential rate. For example, China and the eastern countries, mainly India, by continue to overpopulate, between only two countries only had more than 1.9 billion inhabitants. They will penetrate a very serious and difficult on the upon problem, the depletion of natural resources. Human activities are causing all kinds of pollution that will increasingly affect life on the planet. For example, it is apparent fact that the planet's temperature has been rising due to the constant burning of fuel for all machines and factories, which has made the more greenhouse effect grow. One of the most serious consequences of all this is global climate change, with the rise in carbon dioxide levels. The future of the air could resemble the Houston era of the Antiquity. Other consequences of climate change could produce are fertile areas will become deserts. The glaciers will melt and default. Certain land areas need the coins with the food. Thank you.